Email marketing is the cheapest and probably the most effective marketing tool at your disposal. And what better way to constantly keep in touch with your customers than telling them about your new products every now and then? Email marketing from your Zeppo dashboard lets you do just that. If you didn't already know, you can send out regular marketing newsletters to your customers right from your Zeppo dashboard. Let's have a look at these newsletters and how you can customize them. So, where can you find these email marketing newsletters? You can find email marketing just under the marketing menu on your dashboard. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you will see the marketing newsletter option on the left. You can switch them on and off as per your requirements. Now, like we said, these email marketing newsletters are ready to shoot without much hassle. All you need to say is how often and when to send these newsletters. This yellow colored text is called placeholder. Placeholders are text snippets that can be used to place dynamic information into the template. You can edit or replace the placeholder with another one, but not add new ones. You can find this information in the editor's note too for future reference. Now let's look at how we can edit these templates. Now how about editing the subject line of the marketing newsletter? You can change how often these automated newsletters go out, from weekly to fortnightly or just once. That is, only when you trigger it. You can also choose a time slot as per your analytics. Now, how do you choose what categories and products to feature in the newsletter? All product categories from your store are featured in the newsletter and they are ordered in your newsletter in the same way as they are ordered on your store. And what about the products? Three recently added products from every category are featured in the newsletter. Simple. You don't have to break your brains over anything. It's all figured out for you. You can also add your own customer banner image for the newsletter. Just click on the banner. Choose your image from the computer and bam! Once you are done, you can save the template and move on to the next. And don't fret if you mess it up. Just use this magic button and you'll get the standard email back. So get creative. Design your marketing newsletter emails and keep the sales coming. All the best. If you have any queries, please write into us at support@zeppo.in or you can give us a call at 0922 358 3358.